Stair rods make the ultimate finishing touch to your newly fitted stair runner. Elegant and timeless, they instantly add a beautiful, classic look to your home and are incredibly easy to install. You will need stair rods, screws and brackets, which are included with your stair rods, a tape measure, a hacksaw, and a screwdriver or combi drill. At Runrug, we have an extensive collection of both hollow and solid stair rods, as well as brackets to complement the different finishes, so you're sure to find the perfect fit for your home. Step 1. Cut your stair rods to the desired length. Measure the width of your stair runner, then add around 10 centimeters to allow extra room for the finials and brackets either side. This is your end-to-end measurement. Please note, only our Jubilee and Home Pride stair rods can be cut on site, the rest are made to order. To cut your stair rod, simply remove the finials, measure to the desired length and cut using a hacksaw. Or if you've ordered bespoke size rods from our solid rods, these should fit your space perfectly. Step 2. Attach the finials and brackets. Slot or screw your finials and brackets back onto the ends of your trimmed stair rods and make sure they are fixed tightly, one at each end. Step 3. Screw the stair rods into place. Using your screwdriver or combi drill screwdriver attachment, screw your brackets into place. One screw will fix to the riser above the step, while the other will fix into the tread. Make sure these are tightly fixed in place to prevent loosening and rattling over time. Repeat for each step, leaving out the very top and bottom landings. Now you can enjoy a staircase that looks every bit as grand as a manor house, and the permanently shiny finishes on modern stair rods mean absolutely no polishing work for you. Be sure to check out our extensive range of stair rods on the Runrug website.